Let's create an error notification for my Slack channel. I'll start by going to the user menu and clicking Administration. Here, I'll view the Services and Notification section and click the External Services link. I'll click on the New button and select the Slack service. Now, I need to find some information on my Slack channel, starting with the webhook URL. I'll open up my Slack channel and click the arrow next to my team name. Select Settings and Administration, and then click Customize. Scroll down to the Other menu and click API. Select Create a Custom App. Make an application name, and select the appropriate workspace. On the app page, click the Incoming Webhooks button. Toggle the switch in the upper right to On. Click Add New Webhook to Workspace, and select an appropriate channel. And now you have a webhook for Loupe. I have found the rest of my information and filled it in. Now, I'll click Save and see there's a new external service available for notifications. Loupe will even send an initial message to confirm a working connection. I'll follow the link in the message and go to the Notification Rules page. Here, I'm going to edit an existing notification and add the Slack service. Now, I'll just wait for an error. We didn't fix that, huh? I just got an error notification in my Slack channel from Loupe. I'll click on the link and it'll take me right to the event. Thanks to Loupe, I can get error notifications when I want them, where I want them.